Good morning.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
Really well. This room is so great.
Yeah, the bed is so comfortable. Should we go to breakfast?
Yes.
And then what do you want to do?
I thought we could hike to the hot springs.
That sounds so nice.
And then I saw online that there's a cute restaurant near the hotel where we could have lunch.
That sounds great. I'll get ready.
Me too.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're ready to check out.
All right. Did you have a nice stay?
Oh, we had a wonderful time.
Did you enjoy the spa?
Oh, yes, we did. And we loved the breakfast.
I'm so glad to hear it. All right. Here is your bill.
Thanks. Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Have a nice trip home. We hope you come back.
We will. Thanks for everything.
Hey, Simon. How are you doing?
I'm great. I am getting hungry, though.
Yeah, me too. What time is your lunch break?
In about 10 minutes.
Oh, great. I have my break in about 10 minutes, too. Should we go get something to eat?
Yeah, that sounds great. Do you know of any good restaurants around here?
Yes, there's a great Chinese restaurant around the corner.
Oh, I love Chinese food. Let's go.
Okay, let's do it. I can't wait to eat some spring rolls.
Spring rolls are good, but I love dumplings.
Me too. Let's get an order of both.
That's a great idea.
Hello, Mario's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, but I have a quick question.
Yes, what would you like to know?
Do you have a kids area?
Yes, we do. We have a ball pit and lots of toys.
Oh, that's great. Do you have a table for 2 adults and child for tonight?
I'm so sorry, but we're all booked up for tonight.
That's a shame. What about tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
We do have a table open for that time tomorrow.
Great. We're the Miller family.
Wonderful. So a table for 3 at 7 p.m. under the name Miller?
Exactly. Thanks so much.
Hi, welcome to the Sage Garden. How many in your party?
Thanks. I think we'll be 4 people.
Well, since there are only 2 of you, I can seat you at a table for 2 now, or we can wait for the rest of your party to get here.
We can't go ahead and sit at a bigger table?
No, I'm sorry.
Could we wait at the bar?
Sure, that's not a problem. So you'll wait for the rest of your party?
Yes, thanks.
Great. Let me know when your friends get here and we'll find a table for you.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
Will you prefer a table near the window?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Hi, welcome. Can I start you off with some drinks?
Yes, I think we'd like a pitcher of lemonade.
Would you like it with mint?
That sounds great. Yes, please.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute to take your order.
Okay. Actually, can we go ahead and order an appetizer?
Yes, absolutely. What would you like?
We would like jalapeno poppers.
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, here's your pitcher of lemonade and jalapeno poppers.
Oh, yum. Okay, I think we're ready to order.
So, what can I get for you?
Do you have any specials?
Yes, we have a squash soup served in a bread bowl.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Would you like that?
Well, maybe. What do you recommend?
I really like the spaghetti with meatballs.
I do love spaghetti.
So, would you like the spaghetti?
No, you know what? I'll get the Caesar salad.
All right, I'll be right back with that.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, is everything okay?
Well, actually, I'm not sure if this is what I ordered.
Didn't you order the soup?
No, I ordered the salad.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I must have gotten your order mixed up.
That's okay. Can you take this back for me?
Absolutely. So you wanted a garden salad?
No, I wanted the Caesar salad.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I'll be right back with that.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Sorry for the mix-up.
That's okay. This is so good.
Yeah, I like mine too.
What did you get again?
I got the spaghetti with meatballs. You?
The Caesar salad.
I heard they make great lasagna here too.
Yeah, I heard that. We should try that next time.
Yeah. Do you think you'll get dessert?
I hadn't thought about it. You?
Definitely. I'm getting the apple pie.
Oh, that sounds good. Let's both get a piece.
Let's do it.
Well,